Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi, welcome to DWBIADDA Angular tutorials. As we have already declared some of the variables, now we will render those variables in HTML. So this is the variable 2 we have, and we will show this variable somewhere inside this table. Say for example, I took h3 tag and in the middle of it I write this variable. Now this variable will show here. You see, high angular from the variable is showing here. As we have one action button and we are changing the value of one variable, we also have one send message button which is bound with the function fire message. So this fire message over here is giving us alert. We will change its functionality and we will change the value of this variable 2 to something like message has been sent. Now let's see this in action. The project has been compiled successfully. So high angular is displaying. Let's press this button. So instead of higher angular, the message has been sent has been displayed. In the same way, you can use all type of variables on the front end. Now we will discuss input and output part of the Angular course. The input and output part of the Angular course is connected to this form. This form has 4 text boxes. So what we will do here, we will declare 4 variables and we will connect those variables to these text boxes, and then when we send message button, we will get the value of text box inside a function and we will show that value somewhere inside the page. So let's start. I will declare variable as name, which will be string. Default value is nothing. Then we have email, subject and comments. I'll declare variables for those. As now you can see, I have declared email, subject and comments. Now we will bind these variables with the text boxes. So here we will have name. We will write here ngModel, then the variable name. So we have variable name for this. Now this statement means that variable is bound to this input box. And whenever a user input anything into this input box, the value which has been input by user will be automatically stored in the name variable, which we have stored in home.component.ts. So this is how we take input from the user. Now I will write same step for other text boxes. ngModel email, ngModel subject, ngModel comment. So basically these are all variables. Now these variables bound to these text boxes through this statement ngModel. So now in fire message function we will get the value of these text boxes and alert it. So this is the wire message. We will write here alert this dot name. Save it. Let's see this in action. The project has been. So now after binding, our page has been successfully compiled and reloaded. I write here and press send message. You see the same thing comes in alert. The alert has been written inside the fire message function, and as the same way we have shown variable to a string in the home.component.html, the same way you can show name here. Let's see this. The page has been reloaded. Right here I write here DWBIADDA, press send message. Now that message comes here. If I write here welcome to DWBIADDA, press send message, the value of this text will change. You see, this is called input, output, event and data binding, and this is a real-time binding. Thanks for your time. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.